Hello guys, this is activity in physical education, and first of all I would like to introduce myself. My name is Renigoy Pantuan from Grade 12 Entrepreneurship, and our member is Ariel Castillo. Mount Parawagan Day Hike 2024. Difficulty 3/9, and our elevation is 480 plus MASL, and our jump of Sitio Wawa, Barangay San Rafael, and Rodriguez Rizal. And house to submit is 1.5 to 2 hours, and our features is Mount Binakayan Mountain, Hapunang, Banoy, and Mount Pamintinan can be observed from this vantage point.
Is the thing that we need to bring during hiking. First, extra clothes. Second, a 1.5 bottle water for personal consumption. Third is eating snacks. A long sleeve or jacket.
Hi guys, this is the tips and safety measure during hike. First, check the weather. Before heading out, check the weather forecast for the region where you plan. Second, plan your route. Study your maps before you begin in the trip. Third, first aid kit. It used to help preserve the lives of victims. Fourth, sun protection to protect your skin from the sun harmful. Fifth, keep hydrated. You must drink regularly. 6. Choose the right trail. 7. Do not disturb wildlife. 8. Emergency supplies. 9. Pack the essentials. 10. Flashlight or headlamp. 11. Drink plenty of water. And lastly, bring maps and compass. Hiking tips before, during, and after your hike. Stretch, warming up for hiking or another recommendation, especially before or more strenuous hike.
Safety measure to remember during hiking. First, we need gloves. Second, alcohol. Third, medicine. And lastly, gadgets.
This is the mountain we are going to climb, the Mount Parawagan.
Yo, bitawa mo kasi yan, natatakot